Since we lowered the car and when we're gonna put on bigger wheels, we're gonna be rubbing on this engine harness right here. So what we're gonna do today is tuck it up, because if our wheel rubs through this, the car no run. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so after we tuck it, the harness comes out of the firewall right here, and we're gonna have to go up and then around rather than just straight through like that. So when it goes up, we want to cover that section too. So we got this nifty little Auto Collect Storm harness shield that just covers it. Oh, also, someone punched this fender pretty good, so we got a new one. So while it's off, we're just gonna replace it. So first thing we should do, I would assume, is take off this fender liner here. You might be able to just yank it off.
I assume?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing really. I've never taken off a Zenki fender with all the intact OEM pieces. So anyway, so screwdriver, Phillips head, one here, one here, one here, one up there, and we'll figure something out for the rest of the stuff. Theoretically should be really easy, but I'm not gonna say it's gonna be easy, because if I say it's easy, then something always goes wrong. So I'm just not gonna say anything. You want a little mask?
No.
Goggles, safety glasses?
Hopefully there's no spiders in here.
They're honestly, no, we should be good.
Don't say that and then when it's coming out.
Pull it, yeah, in toward the car. Oh boy. There you go. There's one. So you see what's going on here? Oh, Jesus.
There's one down here, I think.
Okay.
So we're just gonna tuck it up here?
Yeah, once we take off the fender, there's like a little lip up here that we could just tuck it over and zip tie it into place.
Okay.
Let's take off this too as well. I think you might be able to just yank it off. There's two.
I see dirt.
Yeah.
I'm hoping there's no spiders.
If there's spiders, at least they're gonna be dead spiders that fall on you.
Heck no. I feel some crawly things on my leg.
Yank that out. All right. Cool. But we have to take off the headlight over here, which isn't too much work. It's just those two guys. Yeah. We'll take off the grill to put it back on, so it's a little easier on us, or on you rather.
What the heck is this device?
It wobbles so you can get into places a little easier.
Is that it? Or is
and then there's one little thing here. You pop this guy out, and then there's two more on the side.
This is the kind of work I want.
Just easy
Or
stuff.
like.
Easy, no headache. All right. And then you can forcefully, or not forcefully. So from there, there's these two guys. Oh.
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing. You should be able to just pull the headlight off now. Oh, it's stuck by the grill. We gotta take that off. Just slide that out. You should just be able to pull up on it. Oh, yep, there you go.
Ah, there's spider webs!
It should just slide out to your left. Ideally. Maybe not.
It's not
Why is it not?
working!
Oh boy. Hold on. Just smack it out. And then, there you go. Pull out and up. This is kind of on there. Unplug this, and I think this just pulls right out. There you go. Cool. Very neat. Yep, next things are pretty easy. There's one here. One
Don't
there.
tell me there's one
And
behind the door.
There's one behind the door, yeah. But it's super easy to get to, don't worry. There you go. Let's do the front ones.
Front one? Oh.
Yeah. So, looks like this one. Yeah, there's one right there. that guy off. One right where the bumper meets the fender. I'll take off. Oh, dang it! We have to take off the bumper. Ah, okay. All right. Now that can just. Oh yeah, you could pop it off. So you just twist it to the left, the whole thing.
To the left?
Yeah. There you go. All right. A little more work than anticipated. We gotta take off the whole bumper. No, it's not gonna fall on your toes. And even if it did, oh, actually, we might be good. Just enough to get that guy right there.
Oh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nice. So it's this one right there. You get it? Coolio. Alright, and then you got one more. Oh, never mind. It's already off.
It's like, don't go.
Huh?
I feel like it's gonna fall on you.
Oh no, there's actually two more down here that I forgot about. So you get the drill.
The drill?
The impact. Sorry. And then just slide it all out. There you go. Ah, that hurt my ears. I love it.
Woo! Who wants a free fender?
Okay, so now for the actual work. We're gonna cut all of these, or get all of these plastic pieces off and like have it dangle so that we can manipulate it to go over this ledge here and then back through. So it's not too much work. We just need to figure out how to get these clips off. I'm sure we could just break them. So yeah, this is the hood latch right here.
The hood latch? Oh.
Yeah. So this one can also reroute.
I think we could pop it off because it doesn't look like there's a screw.
Yeah. Alright, let's get a good flathead. There's something. There you go. There you go. That's one. Oh, hey, look. Look. Oh, or that. Yeah, and then let's just flathead this off so we get the whole piece off. Yep.
Yeah, the tape is on there.
Cool. And then get that X-Acto knife. And then just cut this tape off here. There you go. Sweet. Ooh, all that dust. Mm-hmm. Yum. There's another one right here, I think. So, like I was saying, we're gonna have to route this up here, right? So to do that, we're gonna have to cut a slit right here, somewhere. So that it goes around, and then up and over. Okay?
Okay.
So we'll cut like 2 notches, one here, and then like one here. And then we'll cut around so I can go up. Got you all protected. And before you start cutting, let's move this out of the way so we don't accidentally cut into that. I had zip tied the wire out, the harness out of the way, just so she wouldn't slip up and cut something. All right.
It's scaring me.
It's scaring you?
Yeah.
Why?
He likes when I get on fire.
Nah, I won't. Don't worry. Nice. Okay. And now, go ahead and cut another line down here. You might want to, actually we should probably,
Oh.
let's switch out the cutting disc. There you go. So I do want to take off this guy and then this grommet here so that we could put the shield on. So I think you just cut this tape here and then unwrap it. And I think it should just pull off because it feels like it's almost gonna go. Oh, that's satisfying. There you go, sweet. And then pull off that grommet Okay, alright. Cool. And now we can start tucking it. Then comes the zip ties. So we have holes. There's one like right here, and then we have that hole there. And then we'll figure out where to mount this one. Okay, looks good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and drill a hole above the bigger hole. There you go. That might be big enough for the zip tie. Nice. And there you have it. Not bad at all. Okay. And now that's what? Oh, like poking?
Yeah.
We could stick something in between there, like okay, she's doing something without saying anything. Oh.
My glass.
All right.
Ready?
All right. Let's see if it pulls away. Oh, you can pull it tighter now, actually. Yeah. I mean, this is there, so that works. Modern solutions. Beautiful. Good job. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this little grommet off for the shield. Nice.
And then
There it
just leave this part.
Yeah. And I should just tuck it in.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Nice. Cool. So I'm assuming that this brown tapey adhesive piece is A, to keep it in place when you're drilling it, and B, to seal it off.
My hand smells like poo poo.
Is that what the putty smells like?
Probably. Or it's just my gloves.
Okay, so before we do the shield, we should probably reroute the hood latch also. So it's pretty easy. I'm just gonna pull off the whole latch so that we can access the cable a little easier. Cool. So that should just swing, you can pull that right up. And then if you flip it around, you can pull this out. Try doing, like, prying this out first. Because it's a little two-piece thing. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And then what we're gonna do is pull this all the way out. So there's a bunch of, there's a few clips that we could just pull off. There's one in here, just yank it out, then you can just pull it out, just snake it out from there. If you do it for you. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh, you right. Look at you. Is it going?
Yeah. Sorry, over here.
Oh, very conveniently, there's a hole that you can just kind of route it up through. Go under the air box, so feed the end through here. Pretty much the same concept. Nice. Alright. And then just bring it all the way back around to the front. Go down through here again, where it came out from. Alright, so we went up through here, around, over the strut tower, through, and then around the radiator support. And then we'll go ahead and reattach it to the hinge, or the latch, and then put it back on. Yeah, that section there. And then pull on it. There you go. Alright, so now you could probably gun it on.
Are we just gonna make holes?
Yeah, so these are self-tapping screws. So you can just drill them straight into metal. But for now, just kind of get it into a good position. I got the first one in because it was kind of difficult. There you go. Yeah, it's not touching anything, so I need to hold it in for you. Oh, that's kind of promising.
There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, what? Okay. That looks awesome. Alright, so go ahead and slap that fender back on. Get up. There you go. And then lift it over. Sweet. Thanks, Pete, for the fender.
Yeah, thanks, Pete.
Nice.
What's next?
Then the headlight. Yeah, you go ahead and do the big one first. There you go. Nice. Those two guys there. Good. Okay. It's upside down. Looks good. I think we're done. Wait, wait, wait.
Your hand is almost dirty.
Yeah. Sweet. How you feel?
Great. I'm hungry.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So, if you watch the video to this to the very end, I want to give a shout out to Maddie, Kay, and CJ. Thank you guys for always supporting.
You the best.
And always promoting our YouTube channel. We love you guys.
Shout out to all 76 subscribers. Alright, I think we're done. Well, you know, you guys
100
don't.
subscribers?
Yeah, you don't.
Merch?
Oh. You don't want to see us put on this wheel, so.
Okay.
Alright,
Bye.
peace.